Hello guys and welcome to tutorial. Today we're gonna show you some Instagram magic. So we're just gonna open our file, and before we do that we're just gonna check the resolution. So basically details, properties details and dimensions are here. So this is all we need to know. Let's close this. Let's open it in Photoshop. Okay, this is what it looks like. You probably won't get this unless you're editing RAW, and RAW just helps me to set up some colors. Okay, so now we are here. Your screen should look like this. We're just gonna move this because I want more space. Yay! The first thing we need to do is make a new document. Change this to pixels. 640 by 640, that's what we see in Instagram. This little picture just here. That's 640 by 640. Since we have 6 of them, we have to calculate a little bit. So open your calculator. So 640 by 3. There is 3 columns and 2 rows. So that's what we are going to do. So this is the first number, 1920. Yeah. And this one is gonna be by 2. So that's 1280. My picture is bigger resolution than this thing. So basically I want to upscale resolution a little bit. I'm gonna do it by 1.6. You don't have to do it, but it just looks nicer. I'm not sure should you do it. It depends on resolution that you get. If you got something like this, like don't upscale it, you know. So let's take the first number, -1.6 resolution. Yeah, that looks fine. Now the second number, also by 1.6. It's 2K48. Okay, 2K48. And we are going to close the calculator and create our file. Okay, so that's it. That's all that we need. We're just gonna unlock this by clicking here on this little lock button. That is gone now. And we're gonna click and hold and drag and drop, you know the magic. So basically now this photo is way bigger than it should be, because I want it to fit in this little box. So basically, what can I do? I can press Ctrl T or Command T on my keyboard. It depends what are you using, and then you can just zoom in or zoom out with holding Alt key and just using your wheel on the mouse. We're gonna have to click. We're gonna have to click here. Okay. So it's now to the edge. I'm just gonna hold my shift key, because you see what happens if you don't hold the shift key, your picture goes crazy. And if I do hold the shift key when I'm resizing it, it goes nicely. So yeah, it's kind of cool. Now my picture is in the frame. So next thing we want to do, we want to split its soul into 6 Horcruxes. Okay. We can do that by going to view, new guide layout. Now it's asking me, hey, what do you want to do with it? And I'm like, geez, I don't know. I'm kidding. Let's just go to custom. Let's delete this. We can put 3 columns and we can put 2 rows, which is just what we need. Okay. So now you're gonna click OK. Now you see we got these 6 little boxes. This is what our pictures are gonna be. So basically I'm gonna take this crop tool right here and we're gonna use it. Okay, I just selected this one, it popped up, I'm gonna press enter, boom, that's fine. That's our first photo. So basically I just gonna go here, export, save for web, and that's it. We can take a preset JPEG. Let's go high, why not? I mean, the good quality is always the good quality, so let's just save it. Okay, first thing we need to do, we need to create a new folder. We're gonna name it Insta, yay, because it's for Instagram. So this is the first one, number 1, save. Okay, it's done. Now I want you to look at this, because this was the first one, this is gonna be second one, third one, now you will see. But now what we want to do is actually go step backward. Why? Because we don't want crop to stay on this little picture, you know, we want to crop some more stuff. So this was number 1, this is number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Why is that so? Just because this is the way Instagram likes to put photos. That's like, we just repeat the process again. And that's it. That's all the magic, really. So we can click save. Boom, number 2. Alright, step backward. Then let's do number 3. Yay, number 3. File, export, save for web. Save, number 3. These numbers are kind of important just because we want to know what do we upload first, you know. Because if you mess up one of them, your picture is gonna go so wrong, but it's fine, you can fix it, you know. But it's better to be careful. So let's just save this one. It's number 4. Yes, and done. It's easy as that. You see, it's really easy to do it. Repeat the process again for number 5 and again, and this is the last one. So now basically we are done. That's it. We got our 6 pictures. Now all we have to do is transfer them to our phone. You can do that by email. You can plug in your phone and just send them. I'm just gonna do them by email because I'm lazy. So yeah, this is pretty much uploaded. I'm gonna send them to my email. I'm gonna get them on my phone, download them, and that's pretty much it. They're ready. This is the first photo we done. This is the first photo we upload. Second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and you're all done. That's it. That's all the magic. I'm just gonna show you how it looks now. So that's it for this tutorial. I hope you guys like it. If you want to find out more about digital media, photography, videography, whatever, you can just go to digitalmediahow.com. The link is in the description, and thanks for watching.